Hey guys, so are you struggling to get your course in front of the right people? If so, I want to tell you that give you a couple of tips. One of the first things that you need to do is make sure that you know who your target audience is. If you know who your target audience is, you know their needs, you know their preferences, you know what their pain points are, maybe what their problems are. You can create content around their needs. And if you create content around their needs, then you can push out your course to the right people because now you know who your target audience is. You need to know where they hang out. You need to know interests are, pain is, and then create content. Now, once you figure that out, once you know and you've created your ideal customer, which is that target audience. Once you've done that, you're going to hang out where they're hanging out and you're going to share the same content. So you're going to share content that they, can relate to, that resonates with them, that they're interested in, that solves a problem for them because you now know, this is their problem and I have the solution. Now you want to create a course that completely resolves what their problem is. They are searching for a result, and that result hopefully is your course. So, another thing that you want to do is build your email list. You have to build your email list because email marketing is one of the best and most like your top priority, to be quite honest. So start building your email list. To do that, you need to create a lead magnet. You can create a lead magnet around those pain points, around the solution. You can even just do an overview, just grab something from your main course and create a lead magnet, something that they are going to, something that they want, something that helps them, something of value, something that is beneficial, and get it out there, start building your email list. Another thing is social media. So I made the mistake of not having social media and then starting a business.
Hmm?
It was very hard for me to really gain anything because I had to start from the very bottom and work my way up, and I'm still working my way up. So, if anything, make sure that you're on social media, make sure that you're always consistently putting stuff out there, whether it's videos, posts, blogs, whatever it is, to promote yourself, to promote your value based course and do it consistently. Make sure that you're starting to build a following. Now, that is how you get your course in front of the right people because you're hanging out with the people that are interested in your niche or in your course. Once you do that and you have value based content and you're providing solutions, you will be able to sell. All right, I hope that helped. My name is Rachel. I'm with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer, and I really hope that this has been valuable information. If so, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next video.